In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to modify the size of a sell position based on the account balance and equity. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that opens a sell position and adjusts the position size based on the account balance and equity. Let's see how we can do that. First, we start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. We begin by importing the trade.mqh file, which provides trading functions. We then create an instance of the CTrade class called Trade. In the OnTick function, we get the current bid price using the SymbolInfoDouble function and normalize it to the number of digits for the symbol. Next, we check if there are no open positions using PositionsTotal. If there are no open positions, we open a test sell position with 10 microlots using the trade.Sell function. The parameters for this function are the lot size 0.10, symbol, null, price, bid, stop loss bid 1000 score point, take profit, bid 500 point, and comment null. After opening the position, we call the change position size function and pass the current bid price as a parameter. In the change position size function, we first calculate the account balance using account.info_double with the account balance parameter. We also calculate the equity using account.info_double with the account equity parameter. We then loop through all open positions using a for loop that starts from the total number of positions -1 and decrements to 0. For each position, we get the symbol using positionGetSymbol and check if it matches the current chart symbol. If the symbols match, we get the position ticket number using positionGetInteger with the position ticket parameter. We also get the position direction using positionGetInteger with the position type parameter. If the position is a sell position, position type sell, and the equity is greater than the balance plus 10 points, we close one microlot of the position using the trade position close partial function. The parameters for this function are the position ticket number, lot size to close 0.01, and deviation night as 1. Finally, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation works, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should now see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that opens a sell position and adjusts the position size based on the account balance and equity with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I think you should now have a working expert advisor. If this was too fast, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you. You can find that one on the website. I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.